During summer vacation, Liddy spent time with her grandmother picking blackberries. They decided to make blackberry jam for their family. Her grandmother said that you must cook the berries until they become juice and then combine the juice with the other ingredients to make the jam. Use the table to determine the constant of proportionality of cups of juice to cups of blackberries. So, we're going to label these X and Y. And to find that constant of proportionality, we divide Y by X. In this one, we're going to use either this set or this set because we don't want to divide by 0. And we don't have enough information about those two yet. I am going to use these two. So I'll have 1 1/3 divided by 4. 1 1/3 can be rewritten as 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 more makes 4. So 4/3 divided by 4. But when dividing, we can flip that fraction over, and there is an invisible 1 underneath, and change it to multiplication. These 4's divide out, and so we have 1 on the top and 3 on the bottom. B says write an equation. We use y equals kx for our equations. And in this case, k is 1/3. C has 2 parts. The first question says, how many cups of juice were made from 12 cups of berries? Berries is the x value. So we're going to put it in the x spot of our equation. Remember, parentheses mean multiply. 1/3 of 12 is 4. So we're going to put that here. The second part says how many cups of berries are needed to make 8 cups of juice. Juice is the y value, so we need to put 8 in the y's position of our equation. Then we divide both sides by 1/3 to just have the x by itself. Remember, when you divide by a fraction, you can flip it and multiply. So what is x? Write it here and here.